I'm Justin Mott and welcome to my home in Hanoi, Vietnam, and today I'm going to review a piece of tech gear that I like. Well, it's not really techy, but it holds all my tech stuff. This is the Aer Cable Kit 2, and I use this little tech pouch. Not really a tech pouch, it's more like a cable kit, what they call it, because this is more of a pouch. But I was using a pouch for years and it's not very well organized and it was very messy, so threw it out, picked up this thing. This is the Aer Cable Kit 2, and I'm going to review it today, so stay tuned. All right, so the main reason I bought this bag is because before I was using a pouch. I was using one of these little pouches here by Topo Designs, and it's just got one zipper, one compartment. I would just kind of shove everything in there, and then I'd be like digging through and trying to find my way in there. Next thing you know, I'd be strangled by wires everywhere, tangled all up, and I would have to be untied. No, that wouldn't happen. But it was just kind of a mess. It was messy, it was sloppy, I didn't like it, so I wanted something that would keep me organized, because I'm not a naturally organized person. And you'll see in a lot of my reviews, the way I use this bag, I don't use it like for everyday carry. I use this as my travel kit. So only when I'm going away on an assignment or I'm traveling, that's when I take this bag with me, because it's big and it's bulky. And when I travel, because I'm away from my office, because I'm away from all my gear, I want to have two of everything. I just need to have stuff in case of an emergency. So two of every kind of wire that I use, two memory card readers, just basically two of everything. I need a redundant of everything because if I'm in the middle of nowhere, I need backups. Things go wrong, that happens. Bag is big enough to hold all my backups. So key features of this bag. Okay, first of all, it costs $50. That's expensive for some, yeah, I get it, but I think it's worth it just to carry all your stuff, to keep you organized. $50, I think is a small price to pay. Size, you can see here, it compares against my laptop here. It's a decent size, you know? It's about the size of like your everyday wash bag or DOP kit. That's about the size of it, and it kind of looks like one of those as well. It's just not fitted in like for leaks and things like that. It is 9 inches across. It is 3 inches deep, it is 6 inches in width, and it's 1.8 liters. But you can see here, if you don't have it fully packed out, it's only will be about like 3 or 4 inches. But once you really pack it out, it can get to about 6 inches. The material here is ballistic nylon. I've never been a huge fan of ballistic nylon. I've always felt it's kind of like nerdy or techy, but I've gone back and forth with it. Like sometimes I get into it, sometimes I don't. Some companies do it well, some companies make it like kind of nerdy or too techy. There's a fine line, but Aer, this company out of San Francisco, they found a way to make ballistic nylon cool, which is what I really like. I don't know why, I just dig it. I like the minimalistic look to it. I think it works, it matches with everything. Like when I travel, sometimes I'm traveling for a commercial job, I have to dress up a little more. I might take like a fancier bag on a shoot, so I might take something like this, and this just kind of fits in. If I'm doing something more like rugged or more adventure assignment or editorial assignment, I can put it in my sort of laptop bag here. This is a backpack I have here by Wandered Provoke 21, and it just fits in here. I don't put this in my camera bag. I put it in my laptop bag typically, or just like my carry-on bag. My carry-on bag is usually my camera gear, and then I usually have a laptop bag. So that's kind of what I would do. So it kind of dresses up and it dresses down. It works both ways. Okay, so I use this on both commercial assignments and editorial assignments. So the main features here, there are 3 pockets mainly. There's a quick access pocket, which they call this one here. It's just a zipper and it just has one pouch inside. There's sort of the main compartment. It has like a clamshell opening, which is really, really nice. And then there's a smaller pocket in between. So this is the genius. This is the nuts of this. This is like why I love this bag. It makes you organized. As you can see here, it has little cable straps here, these little elastic things here. You can stick cables in there, a little pouch here, another stretchy pouch here, a pen holder. It's got 2 mesh pockets here, and then another zipper pocket here with a felt lining inside. So if you want to put like a phone, something you're worried about scratching, you can put that in there as well. Like, that's what I love about this bag. And the way I do it, the way that I set this up, I mean, you'll have to figure out a system that works for you. Is the way that I kind of do it, a general way, is the quick access pocket. I actually don't use it for quick access. I use this for all my backups, so second wires or second hard drive or second memory card reader, stuff that I don't actually need much. I put in the quick access pocket. Doesn't make sense, but that's the way I do it because I don't really consider it a quick access pocket. What I put in here is all my laptop stuff, computer stuff. What I put in the middle pocket is all photography gear. So this is like chargers, wires, things like that I need for my laptop, dongles, stuff like that. This other pocket here, photography stuff. So like memory card readers, hard drives, things like that. So I just think photography, laptop, and then backup stuff, everything. It has this weird little handle here, but it's kind of like upside down, so kind of a weird spot for a handle. I dig it overall, like the material, feels very, very, very sturdy. Has a cool look to it. I use YKK zippers. Everything works well function-wise. I think it will last a very, very long time. So that's it. That's what I dig about this bag. The two main things for me is, again, my love-hate relationship with ballistic nylon. Somehow Aer makes it look cool. They do a great job with that with all of their bags. But the second thing, the main thing, the reason why I really, really like this bag, the reason I bought this bag is it gets me away from this pouch world where I get lost and get tangled and get confused. And this brings me back, gets me centered, gets me organized. That's what I love about this bag. It is very, very good for organizing your tech stuff. I really, really dig that about this bag. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned, because I will have one more video here where I go through all my little tech essentials. So all the stuff you see here, I'm gonna go through that in a whole separate video, tell you about all my little everyday bits and bobs, as they say, or my tech essentials, whatever you wanna call it. So I'll go through another video. You can check it out right here. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful day.